Yum. The Tale of Princess Ansley and the Magical Cleanup. Once upon a time, in a sparkling kingdom far, far away, there lived a young princess named Ansley. Princess Ansley was kind and brave, but like many children, she sometimes struggled with keeping her room tidy. One sunny morning, Princess Ansley woke up to find her room in a bit of a mess. Toys were scattered all over the floor, clothes were piled on her chair, and books were lying open everywhere. She sighed, wishing the mess would just disappear. As she was thinking this, a tiny fairy with glittering wings appeared before her. The fairy introduced herself as Tidy, the cleanup fairy. "Princess Ansley," Tidy said with a warm smile, "I can see you're a little overwhelmed by your messy room. I can help you, but there's a magical lesson you need to learn first." Princess Ansley nodded eagerly. "What is it, Tidy?" Tidy fluttered her wings and sprinkled a bit of fairy dust. "Responsibility, Princess Ansley. It's important to take care of our own spaces. When we keep our room clean, we can find our things easily, and it makes us feel happy and proud." With a wave of her wand, Tidy made a small checklist appear in Ansley's hand. It had simple steps to follow. 1. Put away toys after playing. 2. Hang up clothes or put them in the laundry basket. 3. Place books back on the shelf. 4. Make the bed each morning. Princess Ansley looked at the list and felt a sense of excitement. "I can do this, Tidy!" Together, Ansley and Tidy started the cleanup. They picked up toys, folded clothes, and put books back in their place. With each task completed, Ansley felt a little more proud and a lot more responsible. When the room was finally clean, Tidy clapped her hands. "Wonderful job, Princess Ansley. Now remember this feeling of accomplishment. Keeping your room clean is a daily task, but it's one that brings great rewards." Princess Ansley smiled and hugged Tidy. "Thank you, Tidy. I'll remember to keep my room clean every day." And so, from that day on, Princess Ansley made sure to tidy up her room regularly. She discovered that taking responsibility for her own messes made her feel more like the capable and caring princess she truly was. As the sun set over the sparkling kingdom, Princess Ansley drifted off to sleep in her clean, cozy room, dreaming of more magical adventures and the wonderful feeling of being responsible. And they all lived happily ever after. The end.